because you need to handle people. Can someone say that to Ratan Tata? They say being fit after 35 for an international sport is hard. Can someone say that to Sachin Tendulkar? They say handling me, Ruthvik, is impossible. Can someone say that to my parents? Ladies and gentlemen, fantastic evening to you all. There are so many stories that people share time and again just to let the world know that things that seem unlikely to happen end up being common. I have heard my fair share of stories, and my favorite one is the one that includes Usain Bolt. You know what I really want to tell you all? The day I felt like Usain Bolt myself and I challenged my friends for a race. My friends laughed at me and said, "You, Mr. Ruthvik, the snail of the colony, challenging us for a race? Wow, this is going to be a lot of fun." I felt humiliated and decided to give it my all. We decided that we'll hit our regular circuits surrounding our colony. There went the shout, "On your mark, get set, go." I ran harder. Each step I took was faster than the one before. I really thought I was giving it my all. But later, when the race ended, I realized that I was in 5th position in a race with 5 people. My friends laughed at me. That said, "Wow, looks like Ruthvik ran about 2 rounds. Wow, Ruthvik, you're so fast." Amrut said, "Wow, look at our Usain Bolt who fell flat like Hussein Sagar." I felt irritated and asked them to give me some space. After some time, I went back to them and told them that I wanted another chance to prove myself, but I would need some time for that. Ganesh said, "ಅಣ್ಣ ಋತ್ವಿಕ್, ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ತಗೋ, ಆದರೆ ನೀನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಲನಿಯಾಗೇ ಇರ್ತೀಯ." I told them that I didn't need years, but just 6 months from there. Amrut said, "Ruthvik, let's have one rule then. Whoever loses should give all the others 100 rupees each." This time I felt filmy and I said to Amrut, "Let's change that a bit. You're very confident that you'll win, right? So let us all give 100 rupees to the first prize winner." Amrut was like jumping with excitement at this point of time and he immediately agreed. I went home really sad that day because I genuinely felt humiliated. But I was also scared because I was wondering if I will ever be able to beat them. It was not about money anymore. It was about what that money represented. I really wanted to follow up on this challenge, so I trained hard every day, 6 months straight. I never used an elevator 6 months straight. I ran to the park, ran in the park, and ran from the park to my home 6 months straight. I took physical fitness as a priority. Last November 30th, where Amrut thought he's gonna walk home with 400 rupees in his pocket, things happened very differently this time. The race again began with everyone talking about how funny it will be to make fun of me, but this time, little did they know what I was up to. "On your mark, get set, go" was the call. And this time, guess who ran like Usain Bolt? Yes, it was me! The one and only snail of the colony! I beat them all and reached the finish line first. I walked up to my friends and said, "Hi guys, looks like snails are not that slow after all, right?" Working for something you want and achieving it is what the taste of success is, and I understood that on that day. This day taught me that one should always have a goal with enough hard work and determination. Victory is definitely